Hey guys, good morning. Nick here, back with another video, and this is going to be a video for one of the most controversial mods that you could do to your Toyota Supra. So I have been doing tons and tons of research on what mods I could do that aren't necessarily look-wise for the car, but would make drivability more fun. At first, I was thinking the carbon, then the wheels, then the exhaust, then the downpipe, obviously, things like that. So obviously, I did that, and I just posted my last video about it, where I did the AWE exhaust for it, and it is awesome and super loud, and I love it. So if you know anything about Toyota Supras, when you get down to the engine modifications, there's a few things that people are back and forth about. So one of them is the T51R mod for the turbo housing. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna be doing it. I couldn't be more excited. My friend has a Supra with it. It sounds absolutely insane. And yeah, today's gonna be the day. Dropping it off today, and you guys are gonna come with me. So in the meantime, I have a few more modifications that I'm going to be doing at the same time, just because while they're working with the turbo, you got to take a few things apart to get there, and that's what I'm going to be doing as well. So coming down here, I have the fully polished InGen charge pipe. So this is obviously the InGen one, full polish. I love the color and how it stands out. Actually super nice. I know there was a lot of black ones and red ones. I honestly, I don't know if I find it tacky or what, but I kind of just like the shininess in the engine bay. When you open it, you see it's aftermarket. It's kind of in your face, kind of not. Yeah, no, I love it. I already took it out the bag to look at it before. Super nice piece of equipment here. As you can tell, they really did their thing. Yeah, so this is going to be going in as well, because when you're taking the turbo out, this obviously goes in there and connects to everything. So you might as well just knock two birds out in one stone while you're already under there with everything. So I'm going to be taking it to a shop. Solo Turbo JR is the Instagram. I'm going to plug it here. I've heard so many good things about this guy. Most of my friends know him personally. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing this morning. It is currently saying that it feels like it's 30. It is freezing. I'm going to do a cold start with you guys right here. And yeah, we're going to head over there. I'm going to take you guys for a little ride. And we're going to go grab some gas, grab some coolant, and we're going to head over there. I'm so excited for that. As well, while we're on the topic, while we're outside, the WRX is still alive, and it is still kicking. And yeah, I mean, obviously for what it is, it still looks pretty clean. I'm probably going to make a few more videos with this thing while it's still here, but we might have some things getting done to it that, depending on what you came here to see, you'll like it. Anyway, so yes, so here we are. So that is going to be that, and I will catch up with you guys in a few moments with this cold start. I'm so excited, and I can't wait for you guys to experience this with me. Catch you guys in the next clip here. Hey guys, so we just picked up the car, and we are here at a local spot. I'm going to give you guys some sound clips. So as you can tell, we're here, so it's on, running. You obviously cannot hear it right now as it's running, but I'm going to give it a few rev clips for you guys right now. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to be in second gear and manual mode. Alright guys, so just after that last clip, we are in the car, and we are going to go for a little drive just so you guys can hear it inside the car. So as you can tell, we're at about 2,000. You don't hear it till now. Shift. Yeah, so when you're on on throttle you hear it, and just like right now when you're not on throttle or you're driving normal, you don't hear it at all. Let's give it some downshift here for the stop sign. As you can hear, it sounds insane. But yeah, like this at around 2,000 RPMs when you're just driving normal, you don't hear it at all, just like normal. And yeah, I mean, that's just a short little clip. Yeah, it sounds absolutely amazing. I love it. It's just an upgraded turbo housing. Doesn't add any power or anything, but as you can tell, it just sounds amazing, and it adds like personality to the car when you're driving around. Like you kind of just feel like you're actually moving when you're stepping on the gas, and you hear it also, which sounds absolutely amazing. Yeah, so I could not be happier. I'm gonna give you guys a little outro here in a second, but thank you all for tuning in. We just hit 200 subscribers. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. I cannot thank you guys enough. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Like I said, it's gonna be during the winter now, so the mods are gonna be coming in, and we're gonna do them before next season. I wanna take this to the track. I wanna get it tuned, all those videos. I cannot wait for all that stuff. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Well, let's downshift here, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Bye now.